the 80s. Yeah, man. You see a friend of which was here tonight? You know what he would say? Guess what I say? Stuck on you. Will! Lift up again, lift up again, lift up again. Lift up again. Run it.
Unstoppable.
You hear that? Unstoppable, we can't control. We can't control. I'm going to prove this one now. Not sure the reason why. And one reason why we can't control. Yes, I know that. Stuck on you. Got this feeling right deep in my soul, but I just can't leave. Yes, I'm on my way. Need a friend, but the way I feel, I guess it's time for me to go home. Girl, I'm on my way. I'll be glad to stay. Oh, stuck on you. I have been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. Guess I'm on my way. Oh, so hard to say. That a woman like you will wait around for a man like me. Yes, I'm on my way. Listen, I'll be glad to stay. Oh, midnight train to Georgia. Said I know where I'm going. Oh, I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. Oh, and I guess I'm on that train. I'll be coming up to stay. Oh, stuck on you. Got me speaking right deep in my phone and I just can't leave. Yes, I'm on my way. Oh, need a friend. From the way I feel, I guess it's time for me to the end. Yes, I'm on my way. I'll be glad to stay. Oh, I'll be glad you stay. Yeah.
Unstoppable.
So man, get any situation, but if you shot a security, go on go shoot.
Yeah, go on.
When I'm low in the spirit, when I cry, Lord, lift me up. Lord, I want to go higher in thee. For the Lord knows I can't live on mountain. So he picked out a valley for me. Yeah. Jesus lead me beside still water. Oh, somewhere in the valley below. And he drew me aside to be tested Yes, they try. Yes, they try. In the valley, He restored my soul. Yeah, 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 yeah. Got me down.
We'll make some noise for Lennox. Come on, show your love for Lennox. Yeah. So that was Lennox Johnson that goes by the name of Cassie. So to make some noise for Cassie now. He is our guest artist on the show.
Unstoppable.
Well, it's a good evening and I'm here. I'm looking for my ladies, but I ain't seen you all. Ladies. Girl, I've been loving you. This ain't no honeymoon. Passing infatuation, babe. Right in the thick of love. Why we get sick of love? Why we argue every day? But we all mistake every day. The mistake, and we both have to let it grow. And we are weak first, and I still love first, but I think I just. We're just ordinary people. Hold up me and let it flow. 'Cause we're ordinary people. So we just let it flow. Let it flow. This I will let it go. If you ever change your mind, how about leaving me behind? Oh, honey, bring it to me. Bring your sweet loving. Bring it on over to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. And if you cry, I want to talk on phone.
Unstoppable.
Baby.
Boy, I'm not hearing nobody else. Let me tell you something. Nothing wrong with Jamaica, you know. And they pay for them, you know. Jamaica is a nice, beautiful place, full of a lot of talent. You see why for 100% talent. Jamaica. You see? So may I sing a song about Jamaica, you know. You see? Well, Jamaica play first time, you know where we not take up the second place, right? Anyway we ignite, anyway we don't know they did it. Not even sing around, they did it that way. Jamaica play first time, you know where we not take up the second life, anyway we ignite, anyway we don't know they did it. Not even sing around, they did it that way. Jamaica so you know best, so we know Jamaica bless. Who have done correct, so they can plan to them. Friend of people tired, so them find rest. Some falling love and after them no war. Left 6 years we work, it's a body happy rest. We mention Jamaica, tourist no happy guest. Compound vacation, eliminate stress. And I love comes hard, left with happiness. Some in a ship, some fun in a jet, ship in a jet. Same time, run back the rhythm. I'm going to give you a different style. I like to see them rhythm. When I work hard, and I search hard, up in and speaking on the Gideon board. When I work hard, and I search hard, hunt and I stunt and I search for the Lord. When I work hard, and I search hard, up in and speaking on the Gideon board. When I work hard, and I search hard, hunt and I stunt and I Portmore. I stop great man, reach and get. We're not a team, but you're from the footstep. Dear while dear company and sweat. Man, I wake up in a rain, in a sun that was sweat. Me no go there something young you object. Money man a free like a my subject. Now see the next man thing I'm gonna take that a disrespect. I don't know my things said. They say man a work hard and a search hard. But in I'm speaking of the Gideon boat. Man a work hard and a search hard. One and a third and a search with it. All when I'm water more than flower. Have to put them in the order and you walk. Just give me the strength and invest me the power. So me a go and put in the work like power. Getting on me body so me happy make a move. And come down the cup put everything on my shoes. Man with the life and for the friend with the food. Come there for the winning, me no come there for the lose. And I work hard and I search hard. Again. Don't try to stop this, man, I'm gonna back this. You bright to rock this, stop not to drop this. Stop the dumb to rock this, people, Amazon, Peter one.
Make some noise! Make some noise! Make some...
Unstoppable.
Hey! Okay, so the segment you've been waiting for is about to begin. We will have the contestants running out one behind the other. So we will be starting with Bubbles, followed by Baby Blue. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Bubbles as she sings for us a cappella.
Unstoppable. Unstoppable.
Driving by the port tonight, I was stopping at the light, and it reminded me of all those days. Posted at the coffee shop, we were sitting talk around. Never thought in a million things would change. Tied to my heart like a kite to a stream. I follow you where the wind will blow. We were something, but you were fronting. Now I'm sitting here wishing I could get you out of my head. Baby, I tried, but I can't love you. No, no, no. You know you got to hook to my soul. Feels like I'm down slowly. Oh, because you ain't your love home. Let me go. Hunted by the picture frame, I can almost touch your face. Memories can really be there sometimes. I thought I could walk away, but it ain't that easy, babe. When you rolled up in the lonely every night. We were something, but you were fronting. Now I'm sitting here wishing I could get you out of my head. Baby, I tried, but I can't love you. No, no, no. You know you got to hook to my soul. Feels like I'm down slowly. Oh, because you ain't your love home. Let me go.
To say about you, you know? So judges.
Bubbles. Hi Bubbles, I haven't seen you in a long time. But I love the fact that you came out more confident than the last time I saw you, right? But I wanted a bit more passion because you have such a beautiful voice. You were amazing, but a little bit more passion and energy into the song. But it was good. I enjoyed it.
Yes, Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Alright, to confer with what Tiny Tot said, I would like you to go over, if I just one verse, but higher with more passion. So we haven't seen you yet. You know, you're here, but we haven't seen you. We know you can do better.
Just one verse.
One verse, and we're good
More
to go.
passion. Stress me over. Pick your hot one, or one of these.
If you can boom a ball and you can make a presentation of it, then this stage is for you. We have no age limit. We have no limit to whatever your talent is. You can enter 100% talent and you just might walk away with $300,000. We have cash prizes every week of between $5 to $100,000. That's 100% talent. Next up we have Baby Blue. So, while she's looking about her rhythm, let's pick up the sponsors. Without you, the process would be a bit more difficult each week. Different flavors restaurant, great meal at a great price, A&C accessory shop, the ultimate place for all your accessories. Computer Genie, we buy, sell and repair laptops, PCs and game consoles. Super Collection, the greatest collection of household items and appliances. Better Bargain, the place where you get a better bargain. Jello, for all your wedding rings and jewelry repair, it's Jello's. Floyd Smith Locksmith, Portmore Top Locksmith. Right now we have on stage, making our way to center stage. Make some noise for your girl, Baby Blue.
Good night, everybody. Good night, good night. So, big up on yourself. All of the people that will come out to support all of the young talent them. Wanna big up on yourself. DJ, drop it.
Welcome to the competition with just an area.
Alright, so
you remember I promised you 8. We just put 1 point and reach for 9 because we hear your voice.
I agree.
alright, so what's your grade? What's your number, Taita?
Well, I'm gonna go at 8.
8 and 9. Alright. Big up your...
Red.
That one I name Love Letter. My favorite poem, you know.
Yeah. Write me a love letter.
Me darling love, me little tongue, me tongue to the Mickey Sada. Me sweetest you, I goes for you like how fly goes for sugar. As me put me pen to paper, me pen it start to fly. Me remember and remember the first day you catch me eye. You need this come over from here. I was supposed to be right. I can't stretch past your left hand side. And you turn up deep with fright. Your jaw drop, your mouth open, just like when Jackass start yarn. Me heart go boo 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 boo. And I know I want to make a band. No stand me little love. No laugh after me, huh? Me learning not too good. But when we can't spell, me we draw. No, the thing in the corner with the freckles is me heart. And they play to yam and saltfish. Me that we can never part. See me draw two faces, look for one another. One is for me and one is for you. Take anyone you rather. It's not a cockroach foot. It's a finger with a ring. And it means I want to mark you. A piece of string. You take your foot around the wedding finger and the wedding hand. Careful to get the right size. Then give it to this man. The man is high. No sweet rice till I see you next. Accept me young heart with love and banjo hex. Thank you. So that was Louise Bennett. What you say? Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi.
I try, but I can't hold of you. You know you got to hook to my soul. Feels like I'm down slowly. Ain't no love won't let me go.
Okay, so did she deliver?
Well, one tell
This stage is definitely for you. So in the meantime, inviting all performers backstage because we will be moving on to our next performer until Baby Blue's song is ready. Alright, so let's hear it for Baby Blue. Alright, so you know that I am the man. Let's hear from the judges. Where is the performer? Yeah.
In a flesh, let knowledge flow from the head. In a sense, they try to steal, but I know Jah is real. I give thanks for life. A Jah was you feel. Yeah, rumor, them a spread. Now say me king dead. Represent Jah in a flesh, let knowledge flow from the head. In a sense, they try to steal, but I know Jah is real. I give thanks for life. A Jah was your feel. Yeah, hear me? Who have eyes to see? Who have ears will hear? Wicked and no mercy, so they soul won't be spared. I love life. Life is love. And when you fit the righteous, like your blessing, them want smudge. Just seize the war and stop the crime, man. Save yourself from the judgment. In this time, watch your walk, mind your talk. Don't be like the shadow left in the dark. Them a spread. Now say me king dead. Represent Jah in a flesh. Let knowledge flow from the head. In a sense, they try to steal, and I know Jah is real. I give thanks for life. A Jah was your fate. It don't make sense, your eye. Nobody start gun. Brimstone and fire, pagan must go down. Where one life is found, he's always around. Seek the truth from the root and don't play no clown. Knowing Jah lives, blessing he gives. I am his and he's by Emmanuel. I, yes, he's a must. Not Daddy Marcus. With words and work, he try to serve black people conscious. Rumor, them a spread. Yeah, that's a making dead. Represent Jah in a flesh, let knowledge flow from the head. In a sense, they try to steal, but I know Jah is real. I give thanks for life. A Jah was your faith. Who have eyes to see? Who have ears will hear? Wicked now no mercy, so they soul won't be spared. I love life. Life is love. When you think the righteous are your blessing, they want smudge. Just seize the war and stop the crime, man. Save yourself from the judgment in this time. Watch your walk, mind your talk. Don't be like the shadow that is left in the dark. Boom, them must spread.
Big up yourself, Baby Blue. You come out focused this evening, ready for the stage. I love that. But for some reason, me super enjoy the second song than the first. Yes. Yes, I think it's because I love vintage music, and I love how you put the verses together and the chorus. So I really, for some reason, it relates to me. I like it. I'm going to mag up on some people later. But it's for night for me. I love it. Good job, and keep it up, alright?
Yes, Baby Blue, as usual, your content well put together. However, just one little problem I have. When you're up on the stage, I always get distracted in the beginning. So the stage presence that when I look for, when you touch stage, I not see it. And when you transition from the other song. You understand? While I deal with them rhythm, go and entertain with same way. You get what I say? Yeah. So that will make a full performance. It's a 9 from me.
What is about Chubby? No, I want to challenge her enough. I want to see her versatility. So she do her performance. However, I want she give me a Jamaica dialect piece. Give me a Jamaica dialect piece.
Hey, hello. So I really have to give you all the respect, right? First, you show up every week. and you stick to your talent, and they're all original, which I really respect because you're upholding our culture, right? And so I really appreciate that. Really love it, really loved your performance, and so it's gonna be A for me.
Yes, Chubby Shanty. Life is love. Normally, I love it when you mix the genre, dub poetry and reggae. You know, it's always good. You understand? It sounds like someone can bust fresh in the street. You understand? So, tonight I give you 1-8 again.
Me no matter if your girl want vex, I mean you no flick in a my complex. Play that you hear me, I go rub down your chest. Me no open love you, kiss and caress. So just send me a text, cause you don't know see I can make you flex, flex. But I'll be sweet and honest, this I loving ya, you have to go once. Just come over, let me put it on your right. Come over something tight, come over, let me deal with your case, me a big woman, no. Me not time for you, me not tell that soul cut the body not for know. The man not for know, and your girl not for know, me. When I don't want to start, we go on show, when you drink sweet cheek, through my back door. Baby, me a tell you this straight, a long time now, me a hold the seat. You take me for food, you take me for beer, but want my slice of the cake. You want to know, oh you a moose a goal, oh you a moose a goal. You need to know, oh you a moose a goal, it's a oh you a moose a goal. You know me want some of that sweet, sweet, sweet love in there. Over, but the girl them a get crazy. Me say oh you a moose a goal, me say oh you a moose a goal. Cause you a move good like the ice in a freezer. Please tell the baby why you moving so lame. Cause in your body and me want it okay, but you not stop move like a cocaine. Plus you a come tell me say, man for your girl you don't want to cheat it. But anything or anything me jam like that. For your drumstick me want like that. Nobody come here with the bag of chat. You don't want give me ball and me want give back. You fit the application so you get the work. Watch me while you work it. Oh you a moose a cool, me say oh you a moose a cool. Me need to know, me say oh you a moose a cool, me say oh you a moose a cool. You know me want some of that sweet 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 love in there. Over where the girl never get crazy. Me say oh you a moose a cool, me say oh you a moose a cool.
Unstoppable.
For Chubby Shanty. Next up we have ready for the stage. Make some noise for your girl, Baby Blue.
Bam 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 bam. Play the bamba really there. I told you I play now. 7 o'clock the God. But sitting must be wrong. It sure must be last him way when make him turn so long. If in this I broke the corner, it's no wonder in turn now so. Look when those a crawl like a worm in a rotten mango. I sir, me that by his, me that beg you to lift up fast. Yes, why? This is the way Trump can drive. You feel the cool breeze. Why? Me nearly jump off from my seat. Alright now sir, that we do. Me plan a big turn over man, go wrong with you. Me this a roll and toss. Me head a spin, me basket drop. Jane, draw the string and ring the bell and make the madman stop. Me the draw, you the draw the string. The drum they get up still. He must know me heart no good. It's me want to kill. Jane, look at me kerchief still in the on me head. Stretch me out and tie me jaw and tell it say me dead. I tap it on top. From me heart start beat. Jane, help me have big too. Come on in face. I'm going to mark it. You spiteful nigga sitting you. I'm going to mark you buck for it. And your curry face. I'm going to beat me with my grave for you. And put you to disgrace. I'm going to make you swell and bust like some brave good kid. You see me? Me is the last man you ever take Trump care, so run away with. Aye, aye, aye.
Alright, so it's obvious that you enjoyed Chubby's performance. So let's hear what the judges have to say to Chubby Shanty.
If you hear us something that if I met a girl named Baby Blue, hear a true name shine. Baby Blue, are you wanna run the town. Baby blue, because the sound get loud. Baby blue, how you wanna run the streets. Baby blue, cause this girl, she never trouble no one. But if you trouble this girl, it gon' be a bam bam. It's a water bam bam, water bam bam, bam bam be dam, bam bam, bam bam be dam, bam bam. So what you know? And when you have your man, you need a pay your man. I know make it your man, you want take stick I know. I know make it your man, you sit down and a friend I know. Every time we are over and a laugh and park, you up pint and a see a leader, you're mine and be a the future. You are the past, bam bam. In the have your other rocking dolly, bam bam. So nobody come pitch palm me. No matter what you try, me say you can't stop me. You book your words and then go you can't book me. Once me belly full, you can't knock me body. Want you to know that I am the girl when fight for me right, when me never wrong. Them saying this and them saying that. Them going there and them going there. But soon they will find out the girl I'm supposed to be. I'm what a bam bam, what a bam bam, bam bam be dam, bam bam, bam bam be dam, bam bam. How when you have your money, you need a person man. I know make it your man, you want it, sit I know. I know make it your man, you sit down and a friend I know. Every time we are up and a laugh and pass, you a pint and a see a leader, you're mine that. But me are the future, you are the past, bam bam. In the have your other rocking daddy, bam bam. So nobody come pitch palm me. No matter where you try, me say you can't stop me. If you buck your rest and then me say you can't book me. Cause me belly full, you can't knock me body. Want you to pull up.
Next up we have some guest performers from Little Pepper. So if you're here and you are a DJ or CJ, whatever you do in the music industry, then you need to link up with Little Pepper. You can get your appearance on TVJ at Smile Jamaica or for Rollout. Alright, so that's Little Pepper. So right now we have make some noise for Prince I Come Stand. Dog famous girl. You know things there.
Where's Ramadan?
That's the song. Thank you, mate.
Program, you know a thing going on. I won't tell them.
Hey girl, me have a program and be a sweet fan man dog. With the key and make she get the from. Get a hit from Spain, push the bass distance. And a pretty girl, if she want to sing.
Bro, you know what?
Food figure is they get program so me make sure that move over Oakland. Invite them she carry down a Portland. But the Portland killing that she in the
I
ocean.
love bad girl, what was done for me. Cherish our crime like luxury. Gun pain and they made like density. No kiss, no fence that run to me.
We love bad girl, I was fun for me. Everybody go and dump for me. Beat up them body like chunks for me. She little and I grew up and
hey, you see the pass and one the jiggy, sweet talk, same swear, same with it. Going to talk her phone every minute. She set him up quick, bad flick and supplement. Program,
Portal, four girl,
yeah,
vocal.
we badness, it never local. Wake it, hey. From a badness, we name a mention. Send a dolly with a extension. She run up at the boy and she make things stop. Missy shoulder flick and I never need down.
The rubber chinky head run.
Hey, I heard that.
Pull up on a big head man. Them take it to the pass, but them feel
Oh, do it. Hey, I love bad girl, what was done for me. Cherish our crime like luxury. Gun play like they made like density. No chase to no fence up run to me.
Me love bad girl, we was gun for me.
What?
Everybody go and dump for me.
Yes, sir.
something but they like jumps in me. Cause she like killing and grow up and company.
Hey, girl, me have a program and here swing band, mad dog. The picky and make she get the hit from. Get a hit from, same push the beat, she stand. Said a pretty girl, the chick one, she press on.
Food to the easy we get programs. So make sure that you know how to invite you. Let's go Peppa, big up yourself, you know, bro. Pull it.
Nah, man, I like
Make some noise for Carice. Come on, make some noise for Carice. As she entertains us with the poetry.
Good night, everyone, all my visitors. Good night, judges. I'm Carice, and tonight I'll be doing the poetry, and I'm representing for the Christian community. So I hope you enjoy my original dub, okay? So I'll be doing this one a cappella. Oh, me I gonna live for Christ, oh me I gonna live for Christ, oh me I gonna live for Christ when the things of the world so nice. Oh me I gonna live for Christ, oh me I gonna live for Christ, oh me I gonna live for Christ when the things of the world so nice. And a 30 grand salvation, and a 30 grand resurrection. God call we have ambition, so we not have to yield to temptation. A spiritual war we are fighting just right. We can do this by God's might, the indwelling of the Spirit. Yes, right. To take us to higher heights. Living for Christ is not an easy thing when you're tempted to do the wrong thing. The devil will have you a spin, but remember the glorious salvation bring. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ when the things of the world so nice. Listen, one body, many parts. Read the word, hiding in your hearts, cause the devil loves tempt with him. Even that you must fast and pray. That's a start. You know, I'm trying to live the short, but the devil in my down and the praise not come out. Out of your life, then the devil come out. Physically, me I go change it. Me I go read the word of God and preach it. Me I go walk by faith and not by sight. Put your trust in the Lord. Him are the way, the truth and the light. Him give it the fight, so the battle we are fight. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ when things of the world so nice. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ. Oh me I gonna live for Christ when the things of the world so nice. Well, me just tell you, thank you for that.
Have to say, you know, but we want to have on a rhythm next time. That's all I'm mind. 1, 2, audio check. Yes, Carice, we want you on a rhythm next time. We're supposed to have your type of rhythm still. Just request it next time, alright?
The one drop and then something?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I didn't know.
Okay, now you know.
Hi Carice, so welcome. You know, I love your message. You are repping Christ all the way, and I support that. Of course, I think being the first time, I don't know if it's the first time on stage, but on the first time at 100% Talent, you seem a bit nervous, but I assume that when you come back the next time, you'll be more relaxed, you'll get your rhythm, and of course, I love the message. So, it's a yes for me.
Thank you.
Job well done.
All right.
Okay, so we look forward to see you. Be having a small meeting / workshop after. So if you're here and you're a contestant, don't hurry as the show finish. Don't leave before the show finish. All right? There are some issues that need to be ironed out with the production. All right. So up next we have make some noise for One More Tip.
Ready?
Yeah. One.
Don't be shy, baby.
Master Bruce, you can say it every time. So let me tell you about life. Get a youth stand firm up on your feet. Don't you ever accept defeat. Just keep your eyes open in the streets. Let me tell you about life. Sometimes it's rough, sometimes it's sweet. Only the poorest feel it. Where people talk, them don't believe. Hey, things get rough in the ghetto. Think I show my youth on my system. Every day a gunshot just a echo. And the police sitting right over there, son. Dirty or bad mind don't ever. And make the place nice and mellow. We no want no gun and no truck up. Get your youth to adapt, me I tell you. So mama tell you about life. Get your youth stand firm up on your feet. Don't you ever accept defeat. Just keep your eyes open.
Hey, pull up, pull up.
Hey, I want to tell you some more, give a small fast history. Yeah, I've been in Jamaica now 13 years. So, you see me, I say, I share my blood, sweat and tears. Anyway, don't have no fear. See me, I say, because Rasta love is always near, I swear. You find it?
God will never be
monkeys in the street, don't be trampling the beast, trampling disease, and now watch where them a preach. We trampling disease, and now watch where them a jam and the Sundays them a preach, and that me no push up my way. That's why the people chatting up and up my way. Alright again, up my way. Hey, that's why the people chatting up and up my way. Food you with me now. Hey, oh yeah, oh gosh. Hey, oh yeah, oh gosh, oh yes. Say man a king of the jungle, real and tough man a king of the jungle. We never turn up, man a king of the jungle. Boy, yes the king of the jungle. Yeah, you pick up all the single mother. Pick up all the single mother. Them I want to make you know say you're king in your jungle too. From you know say you have your enterprise and you know say you make it nice. You them say bam 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 bam. Hey, kick it again. For you don't know Rastafari, Prince Circumstance, son of Prince Jasper. Yeah, you just score. Kick it, brother.
God will never be
monkeys in the street, no we trampling the beast, trampling disease, and I know what when them a preach, trampling disease, and yeah, them a preach, say a slang is them a preach, and that mean a push up my way. Hey, that's why the people chatting up and up my way. Up my way. That's why the people chatting up and up my way. Alright, follow me. She proud of me, and me daddy is all proud of me. Oh my God, yes my mommy, yes she tell me say she proud of me. And that boy who that tell me say proud of me, and that me push up my way. That's why the people try to up and run my way. Alright, I beg you. Oh yeah, that's why the people try to up and run my way. Alright, no. You don't know that the place Rascal full of. We just coming from Uganda, Ghana, Congo. And that's where we just come from. Kick the next track. Yeah. Hey, what's your name? This has to say to the crowd. streets. I'ma tell you about life. Sometimes it's rough, sometimes it's sweet. Only the poorest feel it. Poor people talk, them don't believe. Hey, things get rough in the ghetto. Think I joke my youth, I'ma say so. Every day gunshot just a echo. And the police sitting right over there so. Don't hear bad mind, never let go. And make the place nice and mellow. We know all no gun and a trouble. Get the youth, say what that me I tell you. So I'ma tell you about life. Get the youth and burn up on your feet. Don't you ever accept defeat. Just keep your eyes open in the streets. I'ma tell you about life. Sometimes it's rough, sometimes it's sweet. Only the poorest feel it. Poor people talk, them don't believe. Get the youth, be wise in the trading. Cause they know you're gonna be a gun knocking. And most of the youth will start scamming. Some people are the fast, never living. Some girls said nobody be a shilling. Them know ignorant, not the willing. Jamaica me post up all the killing. And me could live as one, it's been a bit life. Get the youth stop burn up on your feet. Don't you ever accept defeat. Just keep your eyes open in the street. Let me tell you about life. Sometimes it's rough, sometimes it's sweet. Only the poorest feel it. Poor people talk, them don't believe.
Kick it again. Hey, this is one. Special prayer, man.
Special prayer, sit up from Jamaica. Come this way, keep on feet inside. Every year stop inside. Keep on feeling. That's what it's last time. Feelings behind you. Show you how it feels so here. Show what we see you here. The people that need to love them. Alright, so pressure when we see you here. Some people we see what you people never hear. And assume, see, say they don't have no fear. People don't need for them, shut up here. Show me what them fears out here. Pressure when we see you here. Show me what them fears out here. Don't have good. Show! I can't send me home. See me while I'm dead. Send me home. Please, let me home. Show me what we feel so. Show what we see. When they need to know that people need to each other to you. Show me what they feel so dear. Show what we see out here. Things what they do for the rest of our life. Alright, so Japanese and me over. Be everyone. Let me out. Please don't let me out. Seriously, Babylon. Stress me out. So me see long time. Yeah, what happened to mankind? So me see say they don't have no mind. That's why we have so much them crying, boy. Hey, sure. Yeah, man. When you want a capella, I think that. When you put up, sure. I can't present me out. See, that's why they take me out. Pull up. We're gonna pull up. Hey, when you hear me on this. Free music and this. Hey, whoa, a King Brian. Hey, some man a King from Zion. He love the kangaroo lion. Hey, when you feel the vibes, that's the party vibes. Boy, hey, boy, when you feel this a beat, so you know tonight, me say the party sweet. Boy, hey, and when you feel this a beat, so you know tonight, me say me live on the eat. Hey, me see a party time, so tell the DJ love it put the party repeat. Boy, hey, me see a party time, and when me feel this a beat, taking a party mind. Boy, hey, me see a party time, and when me feel this a beat, taking a party mind. Boy, hey, show the word kolololo. The African dance kolololo. Kampala girl kolololo. And Jamaican girl kolololo. Watch this style kolololo. In the party kolololo. Watch the new style kolololo. And a new style about kolololo. It's the African dance kolololo. Hey, kolololo, kolololo, well. Hey, we see a party vibe. We see a H2O, so we feel the vibe. Hey. And when we go to the fame, we see a beer fire is like me the pan like inside. Hey, we do it all again because we do the music and we don't do it the fame. No, hey, and we get So let us go party, watch the new style, kolololo. Come get the dance, kolololo.
Hey, go down so cool. Rastaman style cool. Indian style cool. Ginger girls cool. Hey, take a dance cool. Kick it, kick it.
I'm calling up video to the world, you know?
Thank you for listening.
To the world, yeah, son?
Thank you for listening.
African dance, Nigeria dance,
Alright, kick it,
Senegal dance,
feel bad, yeah?
over South Africa,
Kick it,
Whole Africa dance,
kick it.
Yeah, man, a new dance, we're going to take the place. What's the place?
Next time, yeah?
I come King, Prince, I come Stan, yeah, son? Follow the name. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Na 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 na. I sing na 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 na. Listen, Keely. Hey. I cleanse and none pure in the heart. Hey. So you see that dice with the world that some man forget God. But we know that will come. So we know that yet from the start. Babylon don't have a pure heart. So we see them Rasta man forget God. But now. Hey. What a beauty thing, yes, to see Africa in a unity. What's up, nice to see everyone living so happy, yeah. What a beauty thing to see Africa in a unity. What a wonderful thing to see every country in a unity. So we could love one another like sister and brother, and give praises to Rasta. Remember me tell us, there is no other. Whoa, I am a fruit. So the thing of it, check us the border. That's why Rasta go a little harder. Hey, what a beauty thing to see. You don't find it. Find it, we did find it. I lay you alone, no more struggle and more burden. My problem with people. You want me, we shake you up. God them evil LPR. Them good for call your boss, man. Chew them on the cigarette out of the carton. Them say man will lock up on the wagons. Feel your body and make over magons. Yeah. Them good for call your boss. Chew them know why you shell up every party. Them want woman come party. That's why them now walk past way. Yeah. Them open up my eyes them and eyes them now, but hurt them me not like them or fight them silent at the right thing and I sing powerful words and the voices. Them good for call your boss, man. Chew them on the cigarette out of the carton. Them say man will lock off on the wagon. Feel your body and meet over Morgan. Them good for call your boss, hey. Chew them know why you shell up every party. Them want woman come party. That's why them now walk past way. When you touch it down, you want to smile and you want it down. Them will look come around it, them couldn't touch it down. And them friend them they fight and burn. Now you're already good sitting about bro.
We talk, people are for them. They don't know, but we're not talking about gunshots to the sea. Yo, it's not about no shop. Yo, them drop. I saw me lead them flat. Yeah, man, the plane don't scratch. You see the fire, Mr. Amos, and my brain well hot. Me no see no competition, we bring them hot. Them no hot, but them no money to no blow them hot. Like 90s dancers, so me ever show them back. But it takes to be a winner, me ever show them that. Me have sunk them for more than 4 up stock. Them prefer them push up, me ever fool them back. Them do them not, them do them not. 4 more cup, them 4 more job, them 4 more job, 4 more job. And then me do them stuff. Up Julie again, up at. And then yo, judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. Right now me I go name them me. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. I no care see this a big deal. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. I no care see this a big deal. Tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. Me are the baddest thing that's up here. Black on black. I'm a navy blue, we circle man, then we catch baby blue. 5 in a face and then break the news. And a red stripe for ya, make the news. I'm a go shop, yo them drop. I saw me lay them flat, yeah man the plane does crash. You see the fire miss I'm a some brain man at. Me no see no competition, where them at. Them a hot, but them a motivate to flow them hot. Like 90s dancers, so me I go show them back. Them people them go show me I go fold them back. Them doom, them knock, them door, them 4 more club, them 4 more job. And them crew no stop. Fuck truly again, up a ruby stop. Drive up. 398, some crew relax. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. Right now me over damn them me. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. I don't care, see this a big deal. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. Right now me over damn them me. Judges tell me how you feel. Judges tell me how you feel. Mr. Bruce, what you do? So me see again, phone chat, 150 done them, box food, 100 done them. Them are no bad man, me know say you pump them. 45 up with the head like pumpkin, blood run like fountain, clip down like mountain. You got them pounding, keep them up like mountain, me mountain. I love the chosen, mess up them face like cock, and this me a gun dead. Pump. You know I feel this today.
Alright, so that was Young Boa. Oh, come on.
Say that them a girl is that they never know. So make point to get the number for your side. So if you want to your phone, make sure you hide it. Cause then get your hide.
Real bad girl is how we not hide it. Take way boy girl make them can't fight it. Get no fear hook up and a bag of fight it. The girl they we keep it private.
We sharp like stencil knife, she sends me hide no pencil pine. Key her return long length of time. The girl me grind at them a mine. Half the code we no enter line. Girl watch we style like helper time. Mount a jaws we drop someone to enter line. Who will lock when girl all fence a climb. We remember time.
We have a bag of girl around all time.
Some black, some brown, some bleed, some white.
And last night one of them a bite, sappy, bye. Some me getting high vibe and we build it up and knock it off a price right. 3 more girl we have been knocking night. Knocking never did and knock it in the night. Poke up a girl they know me never left my wife. Say that them a girl is and they never know. This don't make wife if you come in a show up bad girl. What me a phone them for your eye.
Okay, Young Booba. So for me, I don't know what happened to you tonight. What's going on? Because this is not you. Steve.
Tiny thought you have Young Boa's heart.
Me?
Beating.
No, but Enrique. So it can't be because him come out in a militant mood. Right, because me hear him and kill certain people in the competition.
The body said a man them.
So,
when them woman say such is such, no?
Yeah. So I don't think it's a case. But in militant tonight, but you never come for the war fully prepared. But no worry yourself, you can come back next week better off. I mean, I'm not going to do. I've seen the best of you. I still remember you from Immaculate. You touched me from there, so I can never forget you. So it's gonna be a 7 for me because I know you can do better. And then, of course, next week. 7 up fire.
Yeah, Young Boa. You see you come and spit lyrics hard this week. May I listen to your lyrics them and thing. Apart from the hiccups of one, you bring a different vibes tonight. As Tiny Tat say, you come militant. But you want to connect with the rhythm some more. You understand? Because I see you drop off and chip up a couple times. You understand? But the lyrics them good. You understand? So it's a good effort. May I give 1 8 for that.
Okay.
Corner.
Hello, good night. It's your girl, Kwanai. You guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel, QUANICOVRS, to follow up with me after this if I don't make it. Okay? Yeah, alright. So this song is for the people that work at a call center and can relate. Alright, talk to me. Aida? Talk to me. Please. Turn it up and rewind. Okay, cool. Rewind it now. Alright, so call center workers. Okay, listen. Right, speedy 9 to 5. Give thanks for life. For roll out of bed, it's not easy. to catch the bus before you leave me. Pull up my chair to my desk, put on a face smile before me get set. Soon after me press like in your only hear a call coming. Hello, thank you for calling. Hi, how may I assist on night? I am really upset, miss. Please hold before you bend this. I am tired of the call centers, jobs. I know you all concur, cause broke life, me know that no fit me. I know me, I gotta take care of it. But when me go school for, I never call center. I am tired of the call centers, jobs. I know you all concur, Me got dreams and this role no fit me. What y'all do? I'm nervous.
What will the judges say to young Bubba tonight?
Friday, speedy 9 to 5. Give thanks for life. Roll out of bed, it's not easy. I have to catch the bus before it leave me. Pull up my chair to my desk, put on a fake smile before me get set. Soon after me press like you only hear a call coming. Hello, thank you for calling. Hi, how may I assist on one night? I am really upset, miss. Please hold before your babies. I am tired of the call center jobs. I know you all concur, cause broke life, me know that no fit me. I know me, I gotta take care of pygmy. But when me go school for, I never call center. I am tired of the call center jobs. I know you all concur, cause my have dreams and this role no fit me, but my got bills and responsibility. But when me got school for, I never call center. Thank you for holding, I really apologize. You want help? Well please let me summarize. Me take the blunt when my door of the power and the shit them assign me ungodly laws. Not to mention, no bonus, no pension, 10-day vacation, you see my frustration? Excuse me miss, you're talking to me? No, hold for transfer please. I am tired of the call center. For now, I didn't finish writing the bridge.
When the judges stop the ears to the people, them know what you have to talk about. Make some noise for young Bubba. Tell us about life. Let's hear what the judges have to tell one motive about his talent.
Sorry, Enriquez, can we get another one, please?
Yes. Alright, so one motive, the judges need a next song. Alright, so one opposite to one motive.
Okay, one motive. So, last week I said you remind me of my agent, Saska, right? I see you in big places. The stage is too little for you. You need to get a bigger audience. So I would love when we transition into the Saturday, you can come out early so the crowd can hear what you have to say. I know that it's on the Pepper TV, it's on the YouTube, it's on the Facebook, it's on the TikTok. I hope that you're pushing your music because you are absolutely awesome. And it's the first me ever gonna give somebody a 10 because you touched me tonight. I just feel every word where you say. So I'm gonna give you a 10 tonight.
Alright, a 10 from Tiny Talk. Let's hear what Master Bruce has to say.
Yeah, you recover from last week because we have an issue with the confidence, right? But it's up tonight, it's up, you sweat, we can say you sweat, so you work. Yeah, and as usual, the song good, the vibes, you take control of the stage and everything, you understand? So, they're gonna get one night tonight.
Okay, so that's it.
Everyone, don't that about it. So we're going to come and play 990 and see if people come today. That's pretty enough. Put it up someone and make it over 1 minute. I'm going to judge and dog. Good man, thing large. But tonight I'm going to say, them dance up on the stage like they feel like a taboo.
I don't have bullshit. I run an overdose cookies. So you know what we said? Yo, this is no go-go show. This is a go.
Remind me of your name, sweetheart.
Kwanai.
Kwanai. Her name is Kwanai. Kwanai, listen to me. When we go work tomorrow, we're gonna sing a song. I am tired on the call center. As a employee of the BPO myself, I totally relate 100%. Yeah, girl, you know me, I make up your nice feel. I just remind me of myself, it's just that we can't sing and make lyrics like you. But I love it. Seriously. Make sure me get our video, come here and post it everywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. No, girl, you look great. Come on. What do you think? What do you think, Master Bruce?
I thought you said it all, so I agree with you. I feel like I'm in the call center and I'm tired as well.
Alright, so you say yes for her next year?
Alright, so she didn't hear what you say, Master Bruce.
He might give you a compliment. He'll say you sound good.
Yes.
I think that is.
I'm sorry, I think that I'm sorry. Can you
The Genie, we buy, sell, and repair laptops, PCs, and game consoles. Super Collection, the greatest collection of household items and appliances. Better Bargain, the place where Better Bargain lives. Joello, for all your wedding rings and jewelry repair. Lloyd Smith, Locksmith, the best locksmith in Portmore. Right now, welcome on stage, Leggy Ross. Make some noise for
That even doing your work here. And he wants to see you next week. Yeah.
So definitely.
Tired.
All right.
The broke back them.
Yeah, like it. Come here with your minute.
Respect everybody else. I'm going to do this tune in we don't have I am this person.
Check one. Alright, Leggy, me hear you loud and clear this week. Everything was fine this week. I have a lovely assistants. You understand? So, me have nothing more to say. So, go on with your name.
Alright, indeed, Leggy Ross. Anytime stand up next to Leggy Ross, make we hear the instrument talk.
Yes.
Yes.
I want that. Now moving on to talk to Leggy Ross.
Still like Russ. I'm still trying to get into the motion of this whole harmonica. Okay, so for me, I would prefer if you did like a Jamaican song, because you said that's an Elvis Presley song. Yeah, so give me something from Jamaica that I can relate to, because I know you can play, obviously, but we just need a song where me can relate to and rock to. Because, you know, it's vintage and I love vintage, so next time I'm looking for more of a Jamaican type of medley with your rhythm, okay? So it's a 7 for me.
Alright, so DJ Master Bros, an artist that goes by the name of Bad Breed. If you're here and you have not yet touched the stage and you're a part of the competition, then get backstage because I want to run all the pieces. Make some noise for Bad Breed.
Okay, so Bad Breed. What's up tonight? What's going on? You seem a little bit off, like, you know, I'm not in the mood kind of vibe. So if I come do a thing, and that feeling that I get from you, the energy never up, and so it's showing on the performance. And the only thing I heard was, me no need them friends, something like that to say, to show you that you weren't pulling my attention. But I mean, whatever it is, just hope you feel better, and next week you come out better. You understand? Because me know I know you this. But it's gonna be a 6 from me, because the energy was really low. Alright, just a second.
Alright, Bad Breed, I'm slightly distracted. I see your name every week, so I really want to hear what you have to say. So if it's alright with Enriquez, because me trying to touch a session on ear, what
No,
one?
ear, but him just not performing.
Alright, so may I give another run because I want to see it before I really judge. Just 30 seconds, she said. She call the shots tonight. So just turn up a Bad Breed.
Oh, you mean? Where the judges them I say, Tiny Talk.
Hey, it's JR again. Okay, so JR, love your energy, love the song, I can relate. But definitely, I'm gonna keep it short and spicy. It's an 8 for me. I love it. Good performance.
DJ Master Bros.
Yeah, JR, so every fall we find last time, you step on that and mash it up, isn't it? So, I don't have not much to say either. So, just go on with that 9.
Alright.
Bad Breed, you know? They don't want to come here, is it? Tell me no need, tell me help. Go again.
Unstoppable.
Yo, what up, my baby? This up now, yeah. Hey, so me not need them help, me not need them step, not need none of them, me not need none of them. I know for them the real, them fake and pretend. No need them, me no need them, dog, me no need them help, me no need them step, no need none of them, me no need none of them. I know for them the real, them fake and pretend. No need them, me no need them. I whole heap of fake friendly you did. You only come around for you can read them. That's why I stay far, I want to work for myself. I me no need none of them, cause them a fake friend. Yeah. Hey, so me no need them help, me no need them step, no need none of them, me no need none of them. I know for them no real, them fake and pretend. No need them, me no need them, dog, me no need none of them, me no need them, need them, me no need them. Yeah.
Unstoppable.
Okay, so judges, what do you have to say to Bad Breed?
I'm me alone in the dark room. No have nobody to talk to. Come here to talk to. Yeah. You teach me and you switch. Remember karma is a bitch. But to use those well paid one day things go change. Just one do the do and don't complain. One day you are going to read and just endure the pain. The pressures of life it no easy, that's why some squeeze it. Poverty a shake with dog, best believe it. Dirty bad mind them get up and a pray with. But when we broke and hungry now, them never say we. Try to live a better life, now them a say me hype. Nah make that stress me, I go and hold it out. I go feel my ego with father, God me, I beg you please take control, yeah. Satu, Satu, this is just a Satu, this is just a Satu, 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 this is just a Satu, this is just a Satu, Satu, yeah.
I think before 7, it was 7, so it's still 7. Oh, it's a 6 and a 7. Alright, so see you next week. Remember, don't leave. We must have a short production meeting after with all content. Alright, so the crowd is going on for a bad break. Let's hear what the judges have to say.
So I'm going to make Tiny go first this time since you're hearing clear.
No, but you need to go first.
Alright. You need to establish a stage presence. We not get that none at all. Alright? You need to engage with the audience, but also not get that because you engage mainly with the mic. I don't know if you concentrate on the lyrics or what. You see me? You need to put more melody in a way you do. Turn up the intensity, feel the music, you understand? Yeah. So, I'm gonna give you a 7 tonight, you understand?
For the second lyrics, it was better. You know, it matches your mood. Sad truth. But it was better though. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Stage, he's not aware of all the rules and regulations that govern the stage, but I can see that he's a good performer. Judges, your turn.
What your name again, artist? TD. Alright, easy TD. Here I go on. I like the energy, but you have to watch the content. It's a PG-13 show. You get what I'm saying? But otherwise, we love the energy, you have potential, you're current, and you do everything where you're supposed to do. Stage present, usage and everything. You get what I'm saying? But clean up the lyrics, that's all.
How much a game?
It's not that easy. We're not gonna judge by score. TD? Why so rude? So personally, and this is just a personal thing, right? And it also goes in regards to as what Master Bruce said in terms of the content. So I'm not bashing you, but personally, I don't promote those songs. It's just me. I know it's trendy in your kind of era and stuff, but with your energy, I hope you can come next time and bring something more positive. Right? But me not promote them lyrics then. Forgive me.
So what I want to say, if I go for TD?
If you come with something.
Alright, so TD, check in at the judging station.
Yes.
So
alright.
They get your information.
See, you never bring me daughter.
Alright, so it's a go.
I don't say a long time I'm going to do this now. I don't know. Yo. Will I hear me? You want me to tell myself familiar? Everything I go. Ishela, no you don't rush, no bro. Patience and the kid pick up complacency. Yeah. Everything I go. Ishela, no you don't rush, no bro. Patience and patience. So go and wait then. People see me and ask me go on. Long time and I see like you see you perform now, John. You know this from my school and I go on no long and I know you still record no song. With anything set, we have a plot. We didn't set that everything blessed because if you invest in the best, and that is a request, yeah there. Everything I go, it's a lot, no in a rush, no bro. Patience and then give me complacency. Yeah. Everything I go, look. It's a lot, no in a rush, no bro. Patience, patience, patience. I'm gonna wait then. Would I make you come in a pool? DJ say brother you been a fool. And you want to do this from you in a school. No say you got bigger tunes and me I say they got you. You should have got get me my soul. It's tedious so me still a fool. Even now so me not do the thing 2020 man I go winning like Liverpool. But everything I go up. And you should have no in a rush no bro. Patience and the kid pick up. Patience. Yeah. Everything I go up. I should have no in a rush no bro. Patience, I go and wait then. I tell the battle, see that the victory. We don't want to do this like a big story. I'm gonna do it for the first to discovery. Back profile, you want to listen to this story. Think so alright. We want us, we want buy it. Yeah, we want live some large life, not like one try them. Everything I go. But the shella, no you don't rush, no bro. Patience, not the kid to come. Patience, yeah. The shella, no you don't rush, no bro. Patience, I go and wait then. Patience, everything. Music, come and listen, don't see it.
I hear the crowd making noise for Young Jay. Let's hear what the judges have to say.
This man love shining bright like
Yeah, it's shining for that.
Alright, Young Jay. Why you look so? I mean, you always have the ability to draw my attention, even if the song not go good. Because you have that stage presence there, right? So everything I go up, not say the same, so everything I go up, right? So I don't know why you have that sad face there and I'm going with yourself, because you sound good. And you did it. Yeah, but I like it. I like it. That's an 8 for me.
Alright, up city, me that look for him more than a 8, but
Yes, so you give him.
yeah, you see him flat tonight and daddy. You understand what I say? So I have to just settle for 1 8. I don't know if you're tired because you come late and things. I don't know if you're traveling from far. Oh, you have a flu, but I'm still an 8 still. Alright, pick up yourself.
Make some noise for JR again. Once again, let me remind all contestants that we will be having a few minutes workshop. Big up all sponsors, big up all patrons. Remind your family and friends that this is the place to be on a Friday for Portmore Talent Show. And for the past few weeks, we have been featuring our 100% Talent Jamaica. Alright, so without further delay, JR again.
Blessings, huh?
Up here.
Right down, G.
Yeah, to myself and Jah bring nobody else. First of all, now be somebody else. Be myself, yeah, be myself. Yeah, be myself and Jah. Now bring nobody else. Now be somebody else. Be myself, yeah, be myself, yeah. Since you don't know watch my things, the clocks have spin. I wonder how much cash man spend. It's only like I'm run out shopping. I'm not the real dog alone out there. I'm easy friend, I said love friend, just see the medicine. What man took these man jealousy from. But the friend I know why your son's a friend of me. I show love and God that's never come to me. I say to myself and now bring nobody else. Now be somebody else. Now be myself, be myself. Yeah, myself and now be nobody else.
Unstoppable.
I'm
I said, you got people that stay the same way, you know. The outside, man. Yeah, baby. So me stay to myself and job. I'm not bring nobody else. First thing I'm not be somebody else. When I be myself, yeah man, I be myself. Stay to myself and job. I'm not bring nobody else. First thing I'm not be somebody else. When I be myself, yeah man, be myself, yeah. So see them one, and I watch man dance, the claps and spin. I wonder how much cash man spend. It's only like a run action thing. I don't know real youth, I don't have things. I miss the friend, I said, don't bring the piece of Tennessee. But my God, deep, I didn't tell us before. Look at the friend, I didn't want your son's screen. I mean, you know the God that sent up a million. Stay to yourself and just. Not bring nobody else. First thing man, not be somebody else. And I be myself, yeah man, I be myself. So I stay to myself and just. Not be nobody else. First thing man, not bring somebody else. Say I be myself. It's like not how we them places back in time. To the time I know them falling out the trenches, oh yeah. Once we get the youth in the faces, they want back a process, they know success, they know how to wet it nowhere. But my dream got to be trying, and my mama tell me say Vaseline, and I'm a boy, so me start to come with me back. Common sense in the voice, so just stay to myself and not bring nobody else. Yo, pick up yourself, let's see. Let's see it breathe.
Alright, so let's hear what the judges have to say to JR again. Yeah.
Good night, everyone.
Of TD making his first appearance on this stage. First time offended on TD. Bring on in this one. Yeah. We don't stand reach, we don't stand down. No boy with no subject can give it up. We don't give one L wet with the drop. Boy, you want education, that's a picnic talk. How you don't stop them, bloody city dog. We don't stand this, nothing on a fury fight. Push good for my client, and no fury dog. Just call it, say you're lucky when you see me dog. Full of the tactics as I done. But she never low up on the funds. People we chat never come. Anything we big never wrong. Girl I bring goodie on the guns. Mr. Wine for the king and bones. Girl I give me brain and she done. Pull of the ears and no month. Client of the run on the fun. They up on the line as I done. We done stand disgusting. Rifle a bait and a hip posting. We done stand disgusting. Boys are run and a hey. We done stand disgusting. Done stand disgusting. Yeah man, we done stand disgusting for real man, you know. Yeah, clean every day in a cycle body. Yo, the girl them love me. Boy, we a cash out, better run my money. Cause you never funny. Choppy, money, send it, talk. Client of the use up them fucking every card. Mocha, can't check it out, we full of talk. Another day, another dollar, study bag of stock. Client of the take a loan for the money shot. Don't see a word when they don't stop. You can't stop the big dog till you look down. Yeah. Alright. Alright. And so we know it's the show rating you do it. When Delia go in the music. Judges, what do you have to say? Oh, this is the end of the contestant segment. So we are wrapping the show, but we hope to see you and your family out next week for a great show. We hope you spread the word that the place to be is right here. We have Marcus that will be closing out the show. So Big up once again our sponsors, Different Flavor Restaurant, great meal at a great price, A&Z Accessory Shop, the ultimate place for all your accessories, Computer Genie, we buy, sell and repair laptops, PCs and game consoles, Super Collection, the greatest collection of household items and appliances, Better Bargain, the place where we get our better bargain, Joel, for all your wedding rings and jewelry repair, Boy Smith Locksmith, Portmore Stop Locksmith.
Somebody does
Next
the
up.
phone. Where?
Next up we have Sean Dunn. Contestants, every member of the show, meet with me backstage right now. Alright? If you're a part of the show, meet with me backstage. All the patrons, it's nice having you. Come next week, carry your family, carry your friends. Have them know the place to be is right here.
Yeah, fully up. Portmore. Standing on me out on the streets, people that I so believe that. Yo, you can check me on Instagram, standard music. Music is just jump to them. You see? Remember the years, remember me. Remember me.
Remember which part we are from. That's why I mean now, go back.
Street mom in the street dog. Telling them me out on the street dog. People the next who believe that. Sick close friend I try to take me feed that. One thing my mates score I'm a breeder. Never follow a bro man a leader. Nah do what them a do for make me media. See sky and I hit me a reaper. Them the sky is the limit. Wow, and car and a gimmick. Never afraid of boy, me no timid. And to the music world me committed. They born for this, we know me get it. Thank your father, the best you give it. Not fight us, I'm still winning. Champion in the disease, yeah. Street mom and the street dog. Telling them me I got the street star. People and I who believe that. The close friend I try to take with me. Yo, fully up. Call up like anyway there. Fully up.
One nice music.
For us. So make some noise for Lennox Duncan. Now man, do better than this man. Make some noise for Lennox Duncan.
What will you say there? What will you say there? Come on man, scream man, scream, scream, scream. I want to scream man. I want everyone of them scream. Alright. You don't know the talent show now?
Yes.
So, we would like to say good afternoon, good evening to everybody. We up.
Yeah, we up.
We would like to say good evening to everybody.
Yeah.
Good evening to man called Cash. Yeah man, Blue. Big up yourself, you understand?
Yeah, big up yourself.
Big up yourself. All the different famous customers them. Big up yourself, man like Jaime. You always look after me. Yeah, so that's big up with that. Man called Brown. What's your brother? That's big up with that. Yeah man, everybody. Run through. This one is out to all ladies. You know, see that one million. Yeah.
War to us. Country protect no. Now tell me that we go. Young there. What's going on? We know what's here already, no. See what's in the way there, no. Love one love. This time that our time. I know we share about mine. And stage we hear me line out. And we are do a borrow fly. The dark and the tough night. That's why we stay outside. I bright light, good light. The mom for you the medication. To get the vaccination. We know how to get like that. The back of the operation. And the damn nation. How much proof we know what you know. The place a lot. Ready to yard ya know. The youth them want food on the line ya know. The child live their life ya dog. The pain make me cry. And that's why we go hard ya know. Remind we just look up here. Early morning the food that we got to play. Hope we do them a celebrate. Till me jump from the tears them a wait. Make move like we focus navigate. We can do that thing. We have a bunch of rich. I tell why you think we have bleach day night. Me life below one life. It's like that I want sacrifice so when they left me with one life me have believe me give thanks to this. So you know me have to fight with that. One life me never have no opportunity. So you know me have to fight it. Me life me look one life.